Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Insignia Fire TV keeps restarting over and over, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact reasons this happens and the simple fixes that actually work. By the end, your TV will be running smoothly again. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check the power connection. Unplug your TV completely for 60 seconds. Plug it directly into the wall, not a power strip or extension cord. Always use the original power adapter that came with your Fire TV. Step 2. Check for overheating. Feel the back of your TV. If it's hot, unplug it and let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure it's not placed near heaters or enclosed in a tight cabinet. Keep good ventilation around the TV. Step 3. Remove all external devices. Unplug everything. HDMI cables, USB drives, gaming consoles, and soundbars. Restart your TV with nothing connected. If the restart loop stops, reconnect devices one by one to find the faulty one. Step 4. Update the software. Go to Settings, My Fire TV About. Check for updates. Download and install any available updates. This clears out any firmware bugs or corrupted data. Step 5. Factory reset. If nothing else works, do this. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, reset to factory defaults. Confirm reset. This removes all data but gives you a completely clean start. And that's it. You just learned how to fix an Insignia Fire TV that keeps restarting step by step. If this helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Fire TV and smart tech fixes, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.